kind should we get? Guys, I gotta show you how gorgeous it is out right now. I'm gonna guess and say it's around 62 degrees Fahrenheit. And I want you to look at that blue sky. Just crystal clear. Just gorgeous. What a beautiful fall morning. We got the coffee filled up on the way to the library. And we're on island time, so we don't care what time it is. You know what I'm saying? We made it to the library, guys. Let's find us a parking spot and go get us a good book. Right there's the park. I normally park right up here in the front. That way I can see the old bike when I go in. I like to keep a close eye out on it. You know what I mean? Sometimes that's what we gotta do. Oh, we got a bunch of bicycles up here. Looks like the kids are in here. But how can that be? Because it's Monday. They're supposed to be in school. Well, they definitely got my spot right there. But I sure am glad to see them riding bicycles. Let's go up here. I don't have my lock with me. Oh, we'll just put it right over here. No one sits out here except me in a few minutes. Guys, I'm just riding through all the neighborhoods and trying to go on some streets I've never been on. Just enjoying the heck out of myself, riding my regular bicycle today. And went by the bike shop. I forgot he's closed on Monday. I was going by to check on the e-bike. I think I'm getting a new motor put on it. And some other little doodads. That old Nissan. Ain't cool? Uh-oh, let's see if we can get up the hill now. This ain't the e-bike, guys. We're having to do a little workout here. Yeah, that's tough. Okay, I think we made it. But I'm just out here cruising along, nowhere to be and nowhere to go, and to be honest, those are my favorite kind of rides. I've got my book in my bag back there. Stopped off at the library, couldn't find anything I was wanting. I did put one book on hold. Really been getting into the Puritan books. So I put a John Bunyan book on hold. Let's downshift here. Yeah, we're not going to fight with that, guys. We're just going to take it nice and slow. I got me a couple cookies in the bag if I get hungry. But what a nice little ride. The sign back there said it was 70 degrees. And I think that's the high for today. It's around noontime. I'm on the west side of Cincinnati, Ohio, and it's just a gorgeous fall day. Hello. And this pedal bike's tough. I've got e-bike legs. I did get a little jog in this morning. I think it was around 20 minutes or so. Trying to get back into running a little bit. My little left knee of mine, I'll tell you, it needs TLC. I put my knee brace on, it felt a lot better. Gives me a lot more stability. It just feels so much better. I feel more comfortable running with that brace on. It just seems to hold that knee together. But I seem to be always one little wrong turn, wrong hop, or something away from messing it up again. So that's just the way it is, guys, and we're gonna live with it. I'm out jogging. I'm out riding my bike. 57 years old, we'll take it. I beat this whole body up over the years. That's all I ever did was play sports. Played them sports since I was a little boy. This body been through it. But one day we'll be given a brand new body, right? That's what we gotta look forward to. All right.